This afternoon, still looking gray. We might be seeing some moments of sunshine peek through, but generally speaking, a mostly cloudy day and a cold one too with that wind blowing. It's tough to be outside. You'll want to bundle up. And on top of that, we are getting ready for our next round of snow. And we're already seeing some snow on the radar. We've had some off and on snow showers down in the Southern Valley this morning, and that continues now into this afternoon. Fargo-Moorhead still looking quiet, Grand Forks too, but just south of us, Wahpeton, Breckenridge, and back over into Otter Tail County, especially western parts of Otter Tail County rather, and over toward Lidgerwood. The radar indicating that we're getting some light snow at the moment, or at least it's being detected in those mid levels of the atmosphere, and some of this may be working its way down. And as we expand the view, you can see there's more where that came from. This was that first round earlier today, and now there's more snow down to the south and west that's going to be trying to work its way into the valley as we move into the later afternoon and evening hours for tonight. So here's a look at our temperatures right now. 9 degrees in Fargo, 5 in Grand Forks. We're looking at colder numbers up around the Devil's Lake Basin, and warmer temperatures, relatively speaking, of course, down in the southeast. We're into the teens there. It's 14 in Detroit Lakes and Fergus Falls, but it is windy. We have some wind speeds into the 20s and some 30s too. A 32-mile-per-hour gust in Gwinner and 35 in Oaks. A 29-mile-per-hour gust out of the north in Fargo. So it feels like we're below zero, even in the teens below still right now. Fargo, a wind chill of 10 below. So bundle up again. So looking at that possibility, that potential for some spotty areas of snow here in the Southern Valley through the afternoon hours. Very little warming. In fact, we either hold steady or may see those temperatures go up a couple more degrees. Getting into this evening, a little break. The wind stays brisk, and we see off and on chances for some scattered snow showers. This is mainly for the Southern Valley. Northern Valley, you're going to be pretty quiet for tonight. But as we progress into the overnight hours, that larger area of snow starts to work in. And here's how things are looking by 5 a.m. tomorrow. A widespread area of snow here in parts of the valley, especially in the southern 2/3. If you're up along the Canadian border, especially over by Devil's Lake, you will see lesser amounts and maybe not much at all. The farther south and east you go, the better bet of getting more snow showers throughout the overnight and into early tomorrow, and building up some of that snow as well. Of course, if this track shifts even a little bit farther south, that's going to make a difference here on who sees the heaviest snowfall totals. By 9 o'clock, that snow again continues to spread over the valley, and we see it start to work its way out of here around this time tomorrow, and eventually it does move on into the afternoon hours with similar temperatures again for the day. So a couple of cold days, a couple of snowy ones here. A look at our snowfall potential. This gives you an overview and an idea of what we're going to be dealing with. So up by Grand Forks, maybe around 1 inch to 2 inches of snow. A good portion of the area in that advisory, I would say in that 2 to 6 inch range. And there are going to be some pockets that there's the potential for a little bit more than that in some of the heavier bands. So a little over 6 inches of snow for a couple of places, but most just getting several inches here. Ahead for the 7-day planner, we're looking at some quieting weather as we get into Wednesday and warming temperatures by the end of the week, near 30 on Saturday with some sunshine ahead of us.